What's up, YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. It's your man Jay. Got something special for you guys today. But before we get into this video, guys, if this is your first time catching any video on the channel, just make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Hit that notification bell. That way you can always be notified when I drop any new video on the channel. And with that being said, let's get into this video. Okay, guys, so like I just said, got a package from Amazon, and it's something I kind of wanted, and I wanted to share this with you guys as well, so you guys can see me unbox it. So let's toss that to the side. We have the Ulanzi U-Rig Pro. It's a smartphone video rig, so let's go ahead and pop this thing open. Let's go ahead and open this up. This is some tight plastic, some hard plastic. Let's go ahead and open this up. And I have some more accessories coming with this thing, guys, so once I get that in, I actually do the other unboxing. So what you get right here is just a book kind of explaining to you how to set things up. And I actually I have the lights and the microphone and stuff coming as well, so once I get that in, I'll make sure I unbox it for you guys, and then we'll put this thing together. Just your typical book, and just another little cutout kind of showing you what it looks like and what it does. And that's what it should look like here once it's all put together. And this is what the actual hardware looks like. So you hold it like this. You have your spots to put your lights and your microphone and stuff like that. You put your cell phone in right here, and then it looks like you can tighten this down here. Yep, you can tighten that down. So the end result is, you know, it helps stabilize your video or whatever the case. So when you're recording, you can, you know, have a little bit more stabilization than just holding it with your actual, you know, hand or whatever. So I'm gonna put that back, let you guys take a look at that. And just a quick unboxing, guys, nothing too special with this, but once all the rest of the parts come in, I'll unbox those, and then after we unbox those, I'll put this thing together, and then we'll wrap this up in a whole nother video. But I just wanted to unbox this because this was the first piece that came today. So once again, this is the Ulanzi U-Rig Pro smartphone holder. So with that being said, guys, it's been your man Jay, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.